You finally get rid of a breakout, and then it leaves a scar that stays for months. That is somehow worse. Acne scars are not just a cosmetic problem, they are a biology problem. And once you understand the biology, you know exactly what to do about them. Today, we go through 7 methods that target the actual mechanism behind acne scars: inflammation, bacteria, and collagen repair. 72 hours. Let's go. Before we get into the methods, let's take 30 seconds to understand what we are actually dealing with. Because if you understand the mechanism, you will know exactly why each method works. Acne forms when a hair follicle gets blocked by dead skin cells and sebum, your skin's natural oil. Bacteria called Cutibacterium acnes colonize the blocked pore, and your immune system responds with inflammation. That inflammation is what causes the redness, swelling, and pain. The scar forms afterward. When your skin tries to repair the damage, it lays down collagen in a disorganized way, sometimes too much, sometimes too little. That irregular collagen is what you see as a scar or dark spot. Every method we are about to cover targets one or more of these 3 things: inflammation, bacteria, or collagen repair. Method 1. Drink water consistently throughout the day. This sounds too simple to matter. Here is why it does. Your lymphatic system, the network that clears waste and immune cells from tissues, requires adequate hydration to function. When you are dehydrated, lymphatic flow slows down, inflammatory byproducts linger longer in the tissue, and healing is delayed. Water also maintains the skin barrier. A well-hydrated skin barrier is less permeable to bacteria and less likely to overproduce sebum as a compensatory mechanism. Dehydrated skin actually produces more oil, which feeds the cycle. 8 glasses a day is a starting point. The more active you are, the more you need. Method 2. Apply ice to the affected area, especially for deep, under-the-skin spots. Cold causes vasoconstriction. Your blood vessels narrow. This reduces blood flow to the inflamed area, which directly reduces swelling, redness, and pain. When you remove the ice, the vessels dilate again. This rebound dilation actually increases circulation, which accelerates the delivery of immune cells and healing factors to the site. Wrap ice in a clean cloth. Apply for 60 seconds on, 60 seconds off. Do this 2 to 3 times. Never apply ice directly to skin. You can damage the surface barrier you are trying to protect. Method 3. Apply aloe vera gel directly to the affected area. Aloe vera contains 2 key compounds relevant here. The first is asamanin, a polysaccharide that accelerates wound healing by stimulating fibroblast activity. Fibroblasts are the cells responsible for producing new collagen. The second is alloecine, a compound shown in studies to inhibit hyperpigmentation by blocking the enzyme tyrosinase, which produces the dark melanin in post-acne spots. Use pure aloe vera gel. The clearer, the better. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse. For active, inflamed spots, apply twice a day. If this is making skincare make sense for the first time, hit subscribe. This is exactly what Simply Biology does. Now, let's keep going, because method 5 is the one most people skip. Method 4. Fix what you are eating. Specifically, target the nutrients your skin needs to repair itself. Vitamin C is the most critical. It is a required cofactor for collagen synthesis. Without adequate vitamin C, your body literally cannot build the collagen needed to fill in and smooth a scar. Sources: bell peppers, citrus, strawberries. Zinc is next. Zinc regulates sebum production, supports immune function, and has direct anti-inflammatory properties at the skin level. Multiple studies show that people with acne have significantly lower zinc levels than those without. Sources: pumpkin seeds, beef, chickpeas. Vitamin A regulates skin cell turnover, how quickly old damaged cells are replaced with new ones. Low vitamin A means slower healing. Sources: sweet potato, carrots, eggs. You can get targeted amounts of these through food alone. If your diet is consistently poor, a basic multivitamin covering these three is a reasonable starting point.
Method 5. Use tea tree oil as a targeted topical treatment. Tea tree oil contains a compound called terpenine-4-ol, which has been shown in clinical studies to be effective against Cutibacterium acnes, the bacteria responsible for inflammatory acne. A 5% tea tree oil solution has been compared directly to 5% benzoyl peroxide in randomized trials and shows similar efficacy with fewer side effects like dryness and peeling. Apply with a clean cotton swab directly to the spot. Never apply undiluted. Always mix with a carrier oil like jojoba or aloe at roughly 1 to 2 drops per teaspoon, twice daily on active spots.
Method 6. A honey and cinnamon paste applied to the affected area. Raw honey, specifically Manuka honey, has well-documented antimicrobial properties. It creates a low pH, hydrogen peroxide-releasing environment that inhibits bacterial growth. It also draws moisture into the skin, keeping the healing environment optimal. Cinnamon adds cinnamaldehyde, a compound with its own antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Combined with honey, you get a paste that fights bacteria, reduces inflammation, and keeps the area moist for healing. Mix 1 teaspoon of raw honey with a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Apply to affected areas, leave 20 to 30 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water. Method 7. Cocoa butter for existing scars and dark spots. Cocoa butter is rich in fatty acids, specifically oleic, palmitic, and stearic acids that penetrate the skin barrier and deeply moisturize the dermis. Well-moisturized scar tissue is more pliable and responds better to natural remodeling over time. It also contains polyphenols, plant-based antioxidants that help reduce local oxidative stress, which contributes to hyperpigmentation. This is not an overnight fix. Cocoa butter works on existing scars over weeks of consistent use. Apply morning and night to healed spots.
Here is the bottom line. Acne scars are a biology problem. Inflammation, bacteria, and collagen repair. Every method we covered today targets one or more of those 3 things directly. Drink water. Use ice for active inflammation. Apply aloe vera and tea tree oil for bacteria and healing. Fix your nutrition. Use honey and cinnamon for active spots and cocoa butter for existing scars over time. You do not need a shelf full of products. You need to understand what your skin is trying to do and give it the right tools. Let me know in the comments, which of these are you going to try first? I read every one. Subscribe to Simply Biology for more science your dermatologist probably never had time to explain. See you in the next one.